Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to repair your radiator. This one is the pretty simple and easy fix. So my son was driving home on the freeway and during the traffic, and somehow his temperature just kept on going up, and it was on the highest point, but I can't believe it. He drive all the way home during the traffic. Hopefully the engines didn't get blown. Hopefully he did not blow the gasket or anything. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys where the leaks was coming from the radiator. I think there was like a pinhole or something. He said it was like a hissing sound. So it's behind the fan, right there. You see all those discoloration right there, like a greenish coolant stuff. Anyway, I poured this. This is the professional strength AT205 reseal. It says stop seal leaks, and here's all the, like, you can pour this on the power steering, brake fluid, transmission, coolant, radiator, and everything. So about a long time ago, my buddy told me to purchase this. It's like $13.99. But it really works. So when I open the radiator cap, I have to use a towel after he drive home. He rested for like 5 minutes, and then he told me it was car was overheating and stuff like that. So after I open this one, it's like empty, nothing's in there. So I checked the reservoir. There was like nothing in there as well. So today I went to Harbor Freight and bought this one. This is the $8.99. It's 50-50 pre-diluted already. It's pre-mixed, so you don't need to mix it yourself. As you can see, it says do not add water. And the review on this one, it was like 4.9 out of 5 stars, so which is pretty good. So after you pour this in, you need to squeeze this upper hose right here. By the way, make sure you wear a rubber glove so it's not too hot. Once the engine started, this hose is going to be hot and stuff like that. So, but at first I did not start the engine, and then just squeeze it while I try to pour in and fill up all the way up, and keep on squeeze this hose and try to bleed out the air. I also pour some in here as well in the reservoir. And after that, you need to turn on the engine for the car, and then put on the highest heat, and then the fan set on the lowest setting. So you just put the key in and start the car, and then put on the highest heat. Put on the highest heat, okay, and just let it set it on the lowest fan. You're gonna run that for like 10 minutes, and hopefully try to bleed out your or burp out the air on the coolant system, okay. As you see, the temperature, it stays below the half point after it's warmed up. Before it's like all the way up high. Yeah, because last night I tried to put on high and turn on all the way the fan, and all of a sudden the coolant stopped backwash a lot, so I had to clean it up. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And drop any other comments on below to see if you guys use that sealer or not, and if it works for you guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Always. Peace.